Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are in good health. So my dear children, before we start our lesson, let's sing a song. Now, I have a little nose, I have two little ears, I have a little chin, just to put my dinner in, just to put my dinner in. Now repeat with me. I have a little nose, I have two little ears, I have a little chin, just to put my dinner in, just to put my dinner in. So my dear children, today we will learn the words with the sound of O, double O. Now look here, M, O and moon. Again spell moon, M, O and moon. Now where do we see the moon? We see the moon in the sky at night. Now next, Z, O, zoo. Z, O, zoo. Now what do we see in the zoo? We see the animals in the zoo. Now next, W, O, D, wood. W, O, D, wood. Now what do we make from this wood? We make furnitures, okay? We make the furnitures from this wood. Now next, H, O, K, hook. Now again spell hook, H, O, K, hook. Now next, S, P, O and spoon. Now again spell spoon, S, P, O and spoon. We eat food with this spoon, okay? Now next, P, O, L, pool. Again spell pool, P, O, L, pool. Now next, F, O, T, foot. Again spell foot, F, O, T, foot. Now next, W, O, L, wool. Again spell wool, W, O, L, wool. We make woolen clothes from this wool. Now next, C, O, K, cook. Again spell cook, C, O, K, cook. Who cooks food for us? Mama. Our mama cooks food for us. Now B, O, K, book. Again spell book, B, O, K, book. We read the book. So my dear children, now repeat this sound of double O at home. Thank you.